everybody. We're going to start getting set up for the Digital Sign Expo. And so what you're going to be working on here is some of the content over the next couple of days for the billboard truck. Understood? So what I want you to do is take a look at this map here, just to understand how large this is. So we're going to be at a conference called Digital Sign Expo. This is in Las Vegas, and the convention center is massive. We're talking blocks and blocks. Okay, so sounds like it's going to be in the West Hall here. And so what we're going to look at is setting the billboard truck up somewhere in the vicinity so that it's a showcase of things that run on our system. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
So each day here for the next 10 days, the highest priority is going to be planning around Digital Sign Expo. And each day we're going to be showcasing different testimonial clients that use the hardware SAM stick in mission critical applications. Understood?
Yep.
Okay, so please post this back as corporate. Okay, thank you.